bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time.
So this brings back memories, huh?
Yeah, not the greatest.
Yeah. So this is where we were when we got hit by the U-Haul 4 years ago. Almost 5, right? Almost.
4 years on Halloween, the day before Halloween. So that's we just passed where we ended up pulling off.
Yeah.
And the funny thing is, on that day, I found a dime in the parking lot, and I picked it up and I put it in my pocket at the rest area, which is about 7 miles back. This time, when we got fuel, I seen a penny heads down and a nickel heads down at the gas station back about another 10 miles, and I just smiled and I said, I ain't picking that up.
And you told me, what did you say? I got 7 cents in my...
Yeah. Last time I picked up 10 cents and it cost me my truck and my camper. This time I'm not going to pick up 6 cents because I do have 7 cents up here.
Yeah. So we're getting close to Bakersfield. We've still got another hour and a half, 2 hours, I guess. I guess it's 2 hours, right, maybe.
Oh, 150 miles. Oh my gosh.
We have been on the road all day. So 144 miles. Oops, sorry guys. To Bakersfield. Not sure we're gonna make it all that far.
3 hours of driving.
We're really tired. We're only driving at 60 miles per hour. Most of these people are driving at 70 to 75.
but they run up on each other and then they slam on the brakes. It's just funny.
Yeah.
It's funny.
But so far so good. We're making way. So
yep.
We're getting a little closer to our group.
It has been a long day.
It has been a very long day. Pumpkin just had some dinner. She's gonna take a nap. You gonna take a nap? She's tired too. We're almost there. A couple more miles. Not quite.
Something, I don't know.
Not quite. We've got a lot of miles. Well, we're gonna call it a night. We've got a spot up about 9 minutes from here. As you can see, it's getting really foggy out, and I think we're just hungry and tired. It's been a long day of travel, so no sense in pushing it when it's like this. So we're gonna pull on over up here and call it a night.
Oh,
Big,
oh.
You hit the last pothole of the night.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
All right, so this is called Harrah's Ranch. They allow you to overnight park here. There's a lot of truckers. See some RVs. There's a big bump, babe. Big bump, big. And it is really potholy here. Do we want to just pull in right there?
Yeah, I think we can.
Huh?
I think I'll just pull straight in.
Good with me if we're allowed to. Or we can back in here.
Back in there?
Yeah, we might be able to back in here. Do you want to do that, or do you want to park right here?
Let me have a look at it real quick and see what we got.
Okay, and then there's that over there as well, but I don't know if we want to go through the mud pits. All right, well, at least we found somewhere. Oh, we got a really great spot right by the big sign. The barbecue sign. And that. So we don't have anybody on this side of us, so it's perfect. All right, well, this is where we ended up last night. You couldn't see anything because it was pitch dark when we drove in. Big parking area. We got a super great parking spot.
Yeah, we did.
It was a little noisy, but I'll tell you what, it didn't affect me one bit last night. I was out. So if you need just a place to pull over, this is a good place on I-5 heading towards Bakersfield.
Yep.
It's called Harrah's Ranch. They've got A big parking lot for everybody to park in. Oh, bumpy, little bumpy. Sorry about the reflection, guys. I'm trying to get you guys a video out. I didn't have very good service here. That I do have Verizon, and I was able to, I can use my phone, but for uploading, a little bit more difficult. They've got gas, they've got a barbecue joint, and I don't know, do they have a hotel here? They might have a hotel here, I'm not really sure. You can look it up online. And there is supposedly free water somewhere in this area. I did read that on freecampsites.net. That's how I found this place. This is employee parking, I believe, back here, so you don't want to park back there. I did read that on the comments as well. And I guess that Harrah's barbecue is super yummy. We had stir fry again last night because we were tired, and that's the most simplest thing I can figure out to make right now on the road. All right, well, hopefully we're gonna make it all the way to Havasu today, Lake Havasu. I think that is the hotel, but like I said, I'm not sure. They've got Tesla charging stations over here. Quite a few of them, actually. Wow. So steakhouse, restaurant, country store, in at the ranch. All right. Did you want to get propane here?
No.
Okay. Come on, sit down, settle down, settle down. Alright, back on the 5. So across the road there's also some, there's Taco Bell I can see, gas stations, there's hotels over there. A little bit foggy this morning, that's alright, and drizzly. We got oranges. Breakfast this morning. I usually have a banana with an orange. You did eat the last banana. Pumpkin's the only one that's had breakfast this morning. Oh, sorry guys.
I had my cup of coffee. That's my breakfast.
Yeah, I usually have a banana and an orange, and I usually bring it up front here when we travel. Pumpkin's the only one that got her breakfast. And these two are not used to being up this early. She usually doesn't, golly, it's bouncy on this highway. Pumpkin doesn't normally get up until, gosh, 9, 10 o'clock. And she goes outside, and then Scotty will get up because she'll go in there and pester him until he gets up because she wants her little treat. Huh, so you don't quite know what's going on. It is 8:30. I get up at 4 o'clock. 4 to 5.
I was awake at 4:30. I woke up and I couldn't fall back asleep because one of the trucks beside us, his engine just revved up and just I don't know why it idled so loud for so long.
Oh, yeah.
Then
But other than that, it was, I don't know, the truckers didn't bother me at all. The trucks didn't bother me at all last night. All right, so we're just seeing lots of oranges at this point. I don't know what kind of trees these are. No, maybe apples? I don't know. But there is a lot of them. Both sides. wheel. So when we bought the fifth wheel, the gentleman we bought it from, he had noodles, pool noodles, and he said that he put them along the ridge of the slide outs because he was tall and he had bunked his head a few times on him, so he had these pool noodles. But Scotty and I are short enough where we don't hit those slides when they're out. The living room one is low enough you're not going to get under it.
Right.
But what'd you do?
I was walking between the truck and the fifth wheel, and the little latch that holds that big door open, I must have been just close enough, and it took a chunk of my freaking head off.
So he was in the house last night, and he kept blotting his head with a paper towel, and I asked him what happened, and he said he got it. Oh, yeah. Let me see. Oh, yep, got you good.
Yeah, I forgot to clean it.
Yeah, well, I'll get you. Your first war wound. Hopefully there'll be no more.
Wilmington, North Carolina, 2,551 miles.
From our point.
Yeah, from right there, back there. And that's, so I-40 goes all the way across, obviously.
And where are we at? We're in Barstow, California.
I think so.
Yep. Ooh, we're almost to our destination. We left at 8:30 this morning. It's now 3:30, so not too bad. I was just telling Scotty that we need to name the new rig. We've had Freedom, we've had Destiny, so we need to name this one, and he said we should name it Tag Along.
I was kidding.
Yeah. I don't know. Do you guys have any good ideas on names for this one? Let us know in the comments section. Maybe we'll let you guys name her. Or him. Lake Havasu City. You guys see the fire-breathing dragon in the sky? Reminds me of Godzilla.
Oh, no.
Go, Godzilla. Hello, Colorado River.
Arizona boat state line.
What did it say?
Arizona state line.
Alright, we are in Arizona. Woohoo! Finally.
And the speed limit goes from 55 to 75.
Welcome to Arizona, everyone. The Grand Canyon State. Oh, it's our first night back in Havasu. And look at that. Oh, I miss the sunrises and the moons coming up. The moonrise. Oh, that's gorgeous. Beautiful. Love it, love it, love it. So Scotty's over here doing comments.
I'm not answering them right this moment. I'm so tired. I'm just trying to pad them through.
Oh, thank you guys for riding along with us today. I know it was not a whole lot of talking or anything, just a lot of showing you guys our travel, but we appreciate you guys being with us.
It was a long day, and I love how the camper tracks on the truck, but it's stressful. It's still stressful to me. I'll get
He'll
used
get
to
used to it. He's doing great. He's doing really good.
Oh, we made it here safely.
I feel safe in the truck.
Well, I'm glad you do. I think we were on one of the bumpy, terrible roads with poor dog. I thought our dog was going to have a heart attack.
She got up and got in my lap. All right. We love you guys. Thank you. Our dinner is steaming over here and it's about done. So we're done. That's what my stove does. We are having, because I'm burning our dogs. Holy moly. Shoot. I was talking to you guys wanting to show you the moon and I burnt them. I burnt your dog, honey.
That's okay.
All right. This is how we're going to fix that. I'm gonna put a little bit of water in there and get those de-stuck. So these are plant-based dogs, and they are really good. I'll have to leave you the name of them in case you're interested. They're the best ones that we have found. I think I might have shown you guys these before. Let me see. Well, I have a bunch of them in here actually. Classic Smoke. Field roast. So these are really good. These are really spicy hot. This one has got fennel in it. I used this the other night for stir fry. So yeah, a little bit of honey. Anyways, these are really good brand. We're having those and we're just having 2 ears of corn. And that's it. That's dinner tonight. Say goodnight, Scotty. You want to say goodnight? Oh, excuse me. Woo, woo. Woo! Okay, good night. We love y'all. Tell them you love them, Pumpkin. Tell them you love them. She really doesn't bark like this all the time, you guys.